Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. On today's episode we are going to be making coconut fried rice and grilled chicken. If you like what you are seeing, please sit back, relax and watch to the end. So, going to the main video, here is my coconut. I'll be washing it and dice it into smaller pieces so that my blender can blend it. So here is the blended coconut. I'll be using my sieve to sieve the milk out of the chaff. So this is my coconut milk, my homemade fresh coconut milk. So I've set that aside. I'll be washing my chicken so that I can marinate it. Here are my ingredients for marinating my chicken. I have green bell pepper, onions, chili pepper aka shombo, ginger. I don't have fresh garlic. I'll be using powdered garlic later, but I'll be blending this with vegetable oil. I'll blend it to smooth. Here is my blended pepper mix. I'll use it to marinate my chicken and cover it for some time. You can do it overnight or you do it and use it immediately, anyone you want, but I cover my own for like 30 minutes before using it. Here is the garlic powder. I'll be adding chicken spice, pinch of salt and Maggi seasoning. So I'll mix everything together to incorporate before covering it down. So after 30 minutes, I'm lining it up on my baking tray. So I've lined them up on my baking tray to be going into the oven. While my chicken is going into the oven, while my chicken will be grilling, let's go into making our rice. I'll be heating up some oil. I will not use much oil because our coconut milk has oil. We will not want our rice to be too oily. Here is my parboiled washed rice. I'll fry it a little bit. I'm doing this to avoid spoiling easily. So I'll add in the coconut milk, my chicken stock. I have a leftover chicken stock in my fridge that I'll be using for this recipe. I'll be adding in curry to give us that fried rice color. Chicken spice, thyme, salt to taste. So I'll mix everything together. So I forgot to add my garlic powder earlier on. That is what I'm adding to it now. Then cover it to cook. Here is our cooked soft rice. So I'll be going into the vegetable, the making of the vegetable. So I'll heat up some oil. You can use butter here, anything of your choice, but I'll be using vegetable oil. Put in my curry powder, thyme, salt, then I'll put in my onions. Fry it a bit. Then I'll be putting in my vegetable. The veggies I'm using is carrots, green beans, green bell pepper, and spring onions with sweet corn. All my veggies are frozen anyway. That is chicken spice. So I cover it up to fry a bit. Do you see the gorgeous color? So I'll be putting in the green bell pepper and the spring onions. Like I said, my vegetables are frozen, so mix everything together to incorporate. When it's soft to your taste, you start adding your boiled rice. Add it bit by bit and mix. So guys, our new subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate. Thank you for joining the family. To our returning subscriber, you are the real MVP. Thank you for always stopping by. Please, if you have not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the like button. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. See you all in my next video. Bye.